My name is Vivek, Dr. Vivek Trivedi, and I'm a founder and a CEO of a company called Shikshakji.com. And it's already been 25 years in HR and recruitment space since I started my journey. So with the Zoho, it's been 1.5 years now, and we'll be able to get all the features about Zoho Recruit, starting from an applicant tracking system, then to go to assessment, then to go to automation. So I can see all 3 A's together: assessment, ATS, and applicant tracking system also. So really very nice, and automation also is something which can be really helpful for the people. Yeah. Post-pandemic, when I started my company, I wanted to explore various options, and then I actually explored more than 20 plus tools, kind of thing, which is available in India. But now, when it comes to a complete integration, there were only few tools which was available. So I started with Zoho Recruit, and I started with one single user, for my company, Shikshakji.com. But the product was so great that I thought why shouldn't I look forward to promote it to the other part of the world, global clients and all that way. And then I approach a partner team, wanted to become partner, and God has been kind and I became partner, and that's how we are able to support our client also. So yes, that's really, really amazing tool, and amazing support from a partner support team also, Zoho Recruit team also. So really a great testimonial to them. Yeah. See, so when we talk about a talent supply chain, the first thing which comes is an interface with a candidate. So the candidate application form is the first thing which is an entry point for any candidate. So that's one. Then second is how you can have a central repository, which we called it as an applicant tracking system. So that's the second thing. And then third one goes with an assessment, where you need to see through the eyes of a client that what my client is looking forward in the candidate, how can I support my client, and how can I actually minimize their workload. So when I can minimize the workload, then client can definitely get a good support from you. And that's how this applicant complete recruit support system comes in picture, when it comes and gives you the everything automated. So that's how Zoho Recruit, if I can just tell you, the best part which I like is resume extractor is again one of the great thing, and everything is very seamless. I mean, if I can just tell you, within less than a minute, you can upload the job position to 15 free job portals, including your social media also, and which you can be able to communicate to all the users. So that is something which can be really, sought for feature all across the industry, and Zoho has provided us that. So really great. Yeah. Awesome. I think that's really a great question, that how the partnership approach goes and all that, because when you are a client getting converted to the partner approach, your mindset needs to be changed. And as Sridhar Vembuji always mentioned that that first 5 year goes completely in your experimentation phase. So I really respect a lot Sridhar Vembuji in that thought process, and that's how he has actually bring this particular value chain in India. So the best part, what I feel is the partnership approach is that you need to be in their shoes. And we started very small. We started with 2-3 member team, just to have that MVP getting completely customized for them. But the response was really great, and I think we have been very blessed to get mouth publicity. It's a complete referral which we are getting, and we did not have to spend too much time in business development also. With the complete referral thing, we are getting client, and by God grace, we are able to serve more than 40 clients by now, which is from diversified portfolio. We have got client from automotive, we have got client from pharmaceutical, we have got client from staffing agencies also, and I think we are very few supporting partner who are supporting on staffing agencies, because I come completely from a recruitment background and a staffing background. I had my own staffing firm, so I can understand that what an entrepreneur look like when it comes to an implementation of Zoho Recruit staffing model. So that way many entrepreneurs support, they can connect the things with me, and that's how we are able to show the productivity and profitability to them. So that's how, and going forward, we look forward to complete our century at the earliest, and we need all your blessings, all your support, and with your team Zoho Recruit team at a back end. I mean, I've been fortunate to meet the people there, and if I can just name Arunji, Arunaji, and even Mark also, if I can just put a name clear, Chandruji, amazing, they are the wonderful people to work for. And the best part is that they don't get, very much, what I can say that hesitant in terms of giving you the solution. They all believe in solution-centric approach, and that's how, you feel very connected. And I don't feel that they are a different team. I feel that they are a part of my team only. So that's how we do that, and we keep on exchanging the knowledge part of it. And we look forward to support as much as possible. And one day this is going to be number one recruit tool in India or globally as well. Yeah. So all the best to all the team members and Zoho Recruit for giving us a craft which can help us in taking all our pains to the recruitment complete ecosystem, and supporting us a lot. From the back end itself, you guys are doing wonderful job. God bless you, and I really look forward to have a good growth on Zoho Recruit. So we are ready for Recruit.